इंडिया सोल सेशन का आयोजन किया गया, जिसके मॉडरेटर फिल्म अभिनेता अक्षय कुमार थे। इस दौरान फिल्म जगत की दिग्गज हस्तियां हेमा मालिनी, मोहनलाल और चिरंजीवी ने सेशन के दौरान विभिन्न विषयों पर अपना पक्ष रखा।
मैं यहाँ बैठा हूँ मॉडरेट करने के लिए। मुझे पहले एक्चुअली कहा गया था कि एज अ स्पीकर आई हैव टू आल्सो सिट हियर एंड टॉक, बट जब मुझे पता चला कि इतने बड़े लेजेंड्स चिरंजीवी साहब, हेमा जी, मोहनलाल सर, इतने बड़े लेजेंड्स के साथ मुझे भी बैठ के स्पीकर बनना है, तो मैं समझा ये सही नहीं रहेगा। सो आई रिक्वेस्टेड देम दैट आई गोइंग टू टॉक टू देम एज अ स्टूडेंट. I'm going to ask them questions. I'm going to learn from them. So here I am. Thank you very much, everybody. So, तो सबसे पहले मैं आप सबसे पूछना चाहता हूं कि भारत सरकार के इस यूनिक इनिशिएटिव वेव्स को लेके मैं आप लोगों को कैसा महसूस हो रहा है? इन द क्लासिक ट्रेडिशन ऑफ लेडीज फर्स्ट, हेमा जी, मैं आपसे पूछना चाहता हूं, हाउ आर यू फीलिंग अबाउट इट?
I'm feeling really wonderful. It's a very beautiful initiative by our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. He always wanted this to happen. So it is going to be very beneficial for the entertainment industry, films, art and culture. So everybody will be benefited in this. So I'm glad to be part of it and to be part of this program also with you.
Thank you. Chiranjeevi Garu, as you say, you brought dance, discipline, heroism to Telugu cinema. आपके अर्लियर करियर में ऐसा मोमेंट कब आया when you realized that you are not just an actor, you are going to become an inspiration to lots of millions of other actors? When did you realize that?
Hi, Namaskar. Right from the beginning, right from my childhood, my passion towards acting. And then to start with, I used to dance and entertain in and around my friends, my family friends. That time I was very, very small. And with their encouragement, I thought, yes, some talent was there with me, that is the dancing. And then slowly my inclination towards acting has developed. I want to finally take acting as my career. So that's how I went to Chennai, then Madras. And right from the beginning, when I thought I should become an actor, then I started. There are already legendary actors are there, like N.T. Ramarao Garu, Nageshwara Garu, Krishna Garu, Sobram Babu Garu. More than half a dozen superstars are there. So, can I get a chance to become such a stardom as a star? But what is that extra I'm going to contribute to become as an actor and emerge as a superstar? My aim is, yes, I should hit the bullseye. And then what is that I can cater? What is that extra I can showcase my abilities to become a star? Then I thought I started sourcing inspiration, drawing inspiration from my contemporary people. Now Mithun Dada is here. In 77, I was a student in a film institute, acting. I have seen that Mrugaya, and he won the national award for his acting. It was so natural, and he did a fantastic job. I thought, yes, there were artists that time putting a lot of makeup. Myself, I should not put makeup. I should look very much natural. People should feel I'm next door boy. That kind of image I should bring. So I drew inspiration from the Mithun Chakravarti that time. And then fights, I have seen Sholay. Madam was there. Hey, Basanti. So with that film, the actions, Till then, lot of duplicates or double used to do lot of stunts. But I decided I should do myself all the stunts, however risky it was. I drew inspiration from the Amitabh, the great Amitabh ji. And the dancers wise, that time Kamal is a little senior to me, and Kamal is doing fantastic dance that time. So I thought, yeah, my dancing abilities should be like that. I drew. Like that, from every person, I drew inspiration. I mold myself. And today, what you are seeing me, that is.
Sir, I must say, you're the flag bearer of Telugu cinema. And you know, when I look at you, so much of honesty comes out of you, what you're saying. And it is so much valuable for me, what you are saying, to learn from things. So over to Mohanlal sir. Sir, you and I have a common friend, Priyadarshan ji. So I can't tell you, sir, how much your craft is worshipped all over India, in fact, all over the world. I want to ask you, absolutely, you're right. Malayalam cinema को इंडियन सिनेमा का इंटेलेक्चुअल सोल कहा जाता है. But have there been moments in your journey that when you have had to choose between full-on entertainment and so-called art films, मतलब meaningful cinema और entertainment cinema, आपको क्या लगता है? मतलब ये साथ-साथ क्यों नहीं जा सकते? क्या ये जा सकते हैं या नहीं जा सकते? आपको क्या लगता है?
First of all, thank you very much for calling Malayalam cinema the Bhaudiga Atma, intellectual soul of Indian cinema. Thank you. We are blessed with the great actors, directors. And from the very beginning, Malayalam cinema doesn't have that kind of, it's a thin line. It's a art house and commercial success or entertainment structure. But it's closely knitted. It's a very well balanced. I had the chance of working with great directors. That time they called as an art films. But even the art film has got entertainment values. And even the entertainment, so-called entertainers, they have art in it. So in Malayalam film, the content-wise, we are very rich. And this is my 47 years of journey. I had the chance of working with great directors like Aravindan or Padmarajan, Bharadan, same time commercial directors, even as Priyadarshan. Like, so I cannot differentiate, like we call movies or cinema. So there were art films and commercial films in Malayalam long back. Now the content-wise, the new directors, it's full of art. It's a piece of art, which I cannot call a film as a bad film. It's a beautiful piece of art. So you cannot compare, especially in Malayalam art. There's a thin line. So it's still a debate. I cannot give you the proper answer. Thank you.
Thank you for being here and gracing the whole waves, what has happened here. And our beloved Prime Minister, he was there. His words meant so much to all of us. So thank you very much, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
तो हो चुका है वेव्स का आगाज़ और तमाम दिग्गज इसमें कर रहे हैं शिरकत. अभी आप एक सेशन देख रहे थे जिसके मॉडरेटर अक्षय कुमार थे, जिसमें उन्होंने दिग्गजों से बात की और उन्होंने अपने अनुभवों को और अपने योगदान के बारे में बातचीत की. इसके साथ ही मिड डे प्राइम में फ़िलहाल इतना ही. दीजिए इजाज़त. नमस्कार.